Education, by the way, is the only sector in India which is governed by a law which says that you cannot run it for profit. And I don't see any logic in it.
That this is not going to be for too long. You'll see institutions getting notices of evasion of profits through whatever means, and they are going to be in trouble, is what I feel.
There are other social sectors which are critical, like defense, like infrastructure, roads, ports, power. All of these are social utilities in which for-profit entities are allowed to function.
It is the job of the government which has failed miserably in providing education to all.
When there is over-regulation, you are discouraging investment, entrepreneurship, and people who are genuinely interested in setting up a school from entering the sector.
India should continue to have schools operate as a not-for-profit institution. Education in India isn't just a service, it's a constitutional right under Article 21A.
I feel do not over-regulate the sector. Let it happen, let it evolve on its own.
What about Delhi University? Yesterday, Delhi University was the prime university of this country. Today, it doesn't have the teachers and professors' vacancies filled.
If schools are truly not for profit, why are major private equity and venture capital firms investing billions into Indian school education? Capital rarely enters sectors without expecting returns. So what exactly is being invested in? And where are those returns expected to come from?